Have you ever needed someone's approval before doing something important? This word is key in daily life and work. Approval means permission or official agreement to do something. It shows that someone thinks your idea or action is good. A common mistake is to confuse approval with liking something. You can approve something without necessarily liking it. Common patterns include: get approval from, seek approval, receive approval, and with approval of. I needed approval from my manager before starting the project. The plan was made with the approval of the board. She sought approval to take time off. Without approval, you cannot enter. Tom wanted to organize a school event, but he needed the teacher's approval. When he finally got it, he felt proud and excited to start. Think of a stamp of approval, like a seal that says OK. When you get approval, it's like getting a green light to go. Remember, approval means permission. Try using it today and see how it changes your English.